Good morning, my dear student, and welcome to my channel, that is Easy Chemistry by SBG. Today we are going to discuss the order of reaction. In chemical kinetics, the reactions are generally classified in terms of their order as a zero order, first order, second order, likewise. The order of reaction is nothing but the sum of the concentration terms on which the rate of reaction actually depends as observed experimentally. Let us see the definition. The sum of the concentration terms on which the rate of reaction actually depend as observed experimentally. Some definition of order of reaction. In the reaction rate expression, or in second word, we can say the order of reaction is given as the sum of the exponents, that is power, or the sum of exponent, that is power, to which the concentration term in the rate law equation are raised to express the observed rate of the reaction. In the reaction rate expression, let us say the rate of reaction is equals to rate constant K, the concentration of reactant A raised to power alpha, the second reactant B, the concentration of reactant B raised to the power beta. The order of reaction is equals to alpha plus beta. Order of reaction is purely experimental quantity of reaction is purely experimental quantity it may be the whole number zero or fractional. Depending upon whether alpha plus beta is equals to 0, 1, 2 or 3, the reactions are said to be the zero order, first order, second order or third order respectively. The order of reaction can change with the change in conditions such as temperature, pressure. Order of reaction can change with change in condition such as temperature, pressure, concentration even. It is when one of the reactant is present in the large excess, for example water or any solvent, the second order rate expression becomes a first order. rate expression because the value of change in concentration for other reactant is taken as negligible. Let us solve the problem on the same topic which was asked in the NCERT examination. See the sample problem. This sample problem was asked in the NCERT examination. NCERT examination. Now read the problem once. A reaction is second order with respect to a reactant. How is the rate of the reaction affected if the concentration of the reactant is in first case doubled and in second case reduced to half? The option is there, becomes 4 times and 1/4 times respectively. B option, C and D options are also given here. Let's see the solution to solve this sample problem. For the second order reaction, we know for the second order reaction we can write the rate equation, that is rate is equals to the K, the concentration of reactant, second order, that's why this power or the exponent becomes a 2. Now we have to find the expression when the concentration is doubled or reduced to half and compare it with the normal rate. For example, for reaction, consider a reactant A gives the product, and rate equation already we have written here. Rate equation as above. It is the K is the rate constant, concentration of A is to power 2 because it is a second order, is equals to K small a raised to 2. Now A is the concentration of the reactant, small a is the concentration of reactant. Now in first case, when concentration of A is doubled, concentration of A is doubled, that is concentration of A is equal to twice A. Rate equation becomes rate equation is rate is equal to rate constant K to twice A is to 2 is equals to 4K A raised to 2. Rate of reaction becomes 4 times. So if we double the concentration of reactant, then rate of reaction becomes 4 times. Now we have the 4 options in which the A and D options having the 4 times rate changes. Now see the second condition. In second condition, when the concentration of A is reduced to 1/2, when concentration of reactant is reduced to 1/2, then what happens? Let's calculate rate equation. Concentration of A, that is reactant, is 1/2 to A. So rate equation becomes K A R2 raised to 2. So it will becomes 1/4 of A square. The rate of reaction becomes 1/4 time, that is reduced to 1/4. Rate of reaction becomes